All right, quiz question. Do you know what this plant is? Do, 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 ding. If you guessed ragweed, you are correct. And it's a big pain, especially here in the Carolinas, to end the summertime. Late August into September is the peak of ragweed season. It's actually number 3 of all of the allergy seasons. There's tree pollen, grass pollen, and then weed pollen and ragweed pollen to end the summer season. So it's usually about September that it starts to peak. So if you have those extra sneezes and sniffles, it likely is because of ragweed. Great weather pattern that we're having here in Charlotte, but not great for the allergies. Take care and good luck.